Network marketing has been slowly dying over the last couple of years. You've seen many businesses close for good, and many people are left wondering where to go next. And this isn't just my opinion. If you look at the trends online, there's been a massive surge in interest in affiliate marketing, but network marketing has been searched less and less. Many network marketing companies are closing for good, are switching to simple, single-level affiliate programs. I am a full-time affiliate marketer and network marketer, and until recently, I've really favored simple affiliate programs. But there's a new form of network marketing, I call it network marketing 4.0, that I think will change the entire network marketing industry and create something that's not only much more sustainable, but more profitable for the people who participate in it. The network marketing industry has become incredibly competitive, and this new version of network marketing that I call network marketing 4.0 has gotten rid of the many aspects of network marketing that people didn't like and created a superior system, which is much more in line with current trends and modern day marketing practices. Now, I'll first talk about the three prior versions of network marketing. Network marketing actually outdates affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing requires a computer and sending affiliate links. Network marketing actually started in the early 1930s with a company called Nutrilite. It started with a simple concept. Distributors sell a product. They also recruit other people into the company, and if those people sell a product, they earn a small commission on their sales too. Many other companies came after them, like Amway, which iterated on this model, and many, many more after them. Now, I'm not going to call out any specific network marketing company, but I am going to share some of the reasons that network marketing has gotten a bad rap and some of the negative aspects of the old versions of network marketing. With network marketing 1.0, you usually had to buy physical products and keep them to resell them yourself. Sometimes to create a stockpile of these products, people would go into massive amounts of debt, buying more and more products so they could get it at a discount in hopes that they could resell those products for a higher profit. I've heard this referred to as garage qualified. People would fill up their garage with all these products, go into debt, and then not be able to resell them. You would then have to do something called an auto ship, meaning that you would have to continuously buy products every month in order to stay an active affiliate in the company. Sometimes these auto ships would be hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month. So people would go into debt not only to start the business, but continuously go into debt month after month in order to maintain the business. In many of these companies, you were locked into a single product. You would sell one type of product, either a lotion, a potion, a gadget, a gizmo, and you were prohibited from selling any other types of products. They would call this cross promotion. Cross promotion is selling a product alongside another network marketing product, and the network marketing companies would basically say, you can't do this. And if you actively did cross promotion, many network marketing companies would kick you out of the company for good. For a long time, and even to this day, many network marketing companies prohibit cross promotion, and this has created a lot of bad will and discontent amongst network marketers. Network marketing 2.0, as I'll call it, created one innovation. Distributors would no longer have to purchase and resell the products out of their garage or home. The network marketing companies would drop ship the product on their behalf, meaning that you didn't have people stockpiling products anymore or driving across town in order to deliver them. The customer would simply order from the website, and the network marketing company would ship the product directly to the customer, meaning that the affiliates and the distributors didn't have to accumulate and purchase the product themselves. But in many cases, you were locked into one product and one brand, meaning every single other network marketer, affiliate, or distributor in the company was essentially selling the exact same product. So it gave the appearance or impression or feeling for many people that you were in competition with everybody else in the network marketing company instead of collaboration. In network marketing 3.0, as I'll call it, you saw a mass diversification of brands and products. Some companies had dozens of different products, different brands that affiliates and distributors could promote. Sometimes at one network marketing company, you could promote hemp products, supplements, makeup, electricity, car fuel, AI software, baby formula, basically everything, and each one of these would be under a different brand. So you could join one company and you're not necessarily directly competing with every single other affiliate because there's this vast variety of different products that you could sell. You could find the product that you connected with, the brand that you liked, and sell that particular brand and build your entire network in that specific niche. You weren't so locked into promoting one single brand. But with the rise of social media and influencer marketing, there was still a major problem with this model. People worked really hard to build their brand and image online, only to promote a different brand and product that had no relation to them. And at these companies, you still couldn't do cross promotion, meaning that you couldn't promote and sell your products alongside these other products. No network marketing company would allow you to sell your own products and services through their company. With all three prior models, there were three parties involved. One, the network marketing company. Two, the manufacturer of the product. And three, the affiliate or distributor. And because three parties were involved, all three parties needed to be paid. The network marketing company needed money to organize the relationship. The manufacturer needed money to manufacture and deliver the product. And the affiliate needed money for their affiliate affiliate commissions. Network Marketing 4.0 eliminates the manufacturer and makes the affiliates the creators and manufacturers of the product. This eliminates a couple of key things. One, the affiliates are now the creators of the product, meaning they can sell their own personal brand and image alongside all the other creators and distributors on the platform. So instead of selling somebody else's brand, you can now sell your own products and services through a product marketplace. What this looks like is you creating a product, putting it in the marketplace, and then you either selling that product or other affiliates helping you sell your own products for you. This also eliminates that issue of cross promotion because the platform is literally designed to sell your products. It also eliminates the need to pay a product manufacturer, making the business much more streamlined for the network marketing company. They now don't have to do research and development on a product. They now don't have to pay for manufacturing. That process is now done by the affiliates and the creators on the platform. That also means that the affiliates and creators on the platform can earn the product manufacturing royalty and the affiliate commissions for selling the products. This new model of network marketing called Network Marketing 4.0 looks like this. A network marketing company creates a marketplace and compensation plan where all affiliates and creators can host and sell their own digital products. These products are aligned with their own brand, their own image, and when they sell that product or another affiliate on the platform sells that product, they earn a product royalty. Affiliates and creators can now truly collaborate with each other because they're all not selling the same exact product. This is totally different from many old versions of network marketing where you were locked into a single product. You could not promote your own brand, products, and services. You were essentially in competition with every other affiliate on the platform, and there was some massive upfront investment in order to get started. My favorite platform that leverages this new version of network marketing I call Network Marketing 4.0 is The Great Discovery. The Great Discovery is a digital products marketplace where you can host and sell your digital products online. There's a global revenue share program that pays out creators and affiliates in upwards to 8 different ways. People can buy your digital products like your coaching, your consulting, your ebooks, your webinars, your workshops. You can even build your online community on the platform if you'd like to create monthly recurring income. And that's just on the creator side of things. If you'd like to participate in the affiliate program, there's multiple different levels of revenue share and they pay out the affiliates 70% of commissions. The old model of network marketing could never pay affiliates that high of a percentage, but because of this new model, they're able to pay out at a much higher rate. So if you want to learn more about the Great Discovery, I'll put a full platform overview below. We also have multiple meetings throughout the week, which you can attend for totally free. So if you're interested in getting started, reach out, comment below, click on the links, and we'll see you on the Great Discovery.